Hello folks, you can see the glare on my head. This is a video on how to drain the oil on a Honda Big Red. You need a ratchet, you need a pair of glasses and an a 17 millimeter socket. You also probably need rubber gloves because you're going to get oily. And if you reach under the middle of the engine, I'll try to get a video in here. You get on there and just kind of sometimes you have to take the skid plate off because, well, I did because the skid plate was wrecked. Unfortunately, let's see if I can get on the bottom here. See if I can show you. Let's see the drain plug is right here. I already loosened it, and this one sucks. Let's get this right on there. There we go. This one does not drain properly. Actually, it's not drain properly. It's the drain plug. Somebody messed up the threads, so we're just gonna take it out. Yeah, it looks pretty gross. And pretty much oil drains out of there. The plug is okay, I guess. Got some metal shavings in there. Woohoo! Anyway, that's pretty much how you drain a Honda Big Red, and you get oil all over yourself. I have to retap the holes down there because the engine, the plug in the engine, the hole in the engine. Let me get this light out of my face. Hold on a second. There we go. The my hand's in the way. Jesus, here we go. The actual hole for the plug is stripped, so I got to put a bigger one in. So with that said, here I'll show you something else. Anyway, this one's draining. The oil's pretty clear. Oil's pretty gunky in this one. It's not sure. It's pretty gross. And you can see that, but oil looks pretty yucksies. So anyway, I don't know when the last time this oil was changed on this bike, but it looks pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. I just put this was actually 2 quarts of fresh clean oil, so that's what came out of it. Not sure. I have a feeling. Let me switch this thing here. I have a feeling this bike at one time was a swamp bike. Somebody was swamping the hell out of this because the rear, when I took the rear axle transmission off, it was full of dirt. It was literally the brake. If you look on the thing, the brake section, the rear outer side brakes were finished. The inside was covered in dirt. The drive shaft, basically liquid dirt came out. And this one, the first batch of oil was black. This one's now like a darker color brown, so maybe we're getting somewhere. And I think the metal shard was from the what do you call it? From the actual threads of the from the engine. So I bought a bunch of cheap oil. I'm gonna flip the bike on the side, and basically I'm gonna let this drain for a couple days, shaking it and let it out. Should get out. And I'm gonna flip it sideways and retap it, or I might flip the front end. I could flip it up backwards, but I don't want to break the fenders. So I might just take the whole back fender off. Anyway, if there's an easy way to do this, I'm probably not going to find it. Oh, and I also have to flip the frame side because I have to drill out the 2 bolts that broke off that hold the skid plate on. So that's going to happen too. So anyway, this is the the offender right here, the offending bike. Here's the bike. It's slowly getting fixed. Oh, and if Preston from This Whole Trike ever watches this, thanks for letting me know about where to get bolts. I went to Honda and I bought every single Honda bolt I could find, or at least that I could afford right now. And this one are going to get fixed next. So I don't have a big collection like his awesome collection, and I look forward to going to his little festival he has. So he said I can go. I want to go. I think I just want to go and ask them. But anyway, my daughter wants to go. So if you watch this, she really wants to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.